Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking through how to create layers in Easel and kind of what that looks like, what to kind of watch out for, and just kind of how it's done in Easel. And then eventually I'm going to tie this into like a project tutorial probably sometime next week. But when that's published, I'll link it in the video below. But here we're just going to kind of talk it through a very kind of basic, what it looks like, how it works, how it functions. So to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create some text. We'll just create some text, say YouTube video. I'm going to make it a bit smaller so it's a little more manageable. And then I'm going to set the depth to 1/8. So I have my text here, and I want to basically put a box under it that's a little deeper than it so my text is raised slightly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab a box, kind of copy the size of my object, and then move it over. And here we can see that now the text has disappeared. And essentially what's happened is because I added the text first, it's at the kind of bottom layer. And when I added the box, that's now on a layer above my text. So what I can do is if I click and select my box, I can then click on Edit and Send Backward. And what this is going to do is it's going to move it down a layer, and basically it's going to pass my YouTube video, and now it's below that. So we can see that my text is now available, and just kind of it's moved that, so now it's the kind of thing has shifted. Alternatively, you can select, we'll just do it here. You can also move things forward by clicking Bring Forward, so that would move it back over. Or if I wanted to select my text and click on Edit and Bring Forward or Bring to Front, that'll move it all the way forward that way as well. So Bring Forward brings things kind of up. Send Backward or Bring Backward moves it down. There are also two more options, which are Send Backwards or Send to Back. When you click on Send to Back, that immediately moves it to the bottom layer of whatever you're working on. Similarly, Bring to Front moves it to the top layer of whatever you're working on. And that's essentially how you kind of create layers. You can also kind of visualize Send to Back here. I'll create something else that I just want to be like a cross section that's a full depth cutout. And so if I click on Edit and Send to Back, that's going to move it all the way back and just cut out those pockets around my design. That's kind of how you create layers in Easel. Again, I'll have a video that kind of demonstrates this with a project here sometime next week. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.